with the best path in filters, these are obviously, as it says, these are best paths in. These are ways to get connected with someone. And so if you have connection, this is first degree connections, executive team link. So first and second degree, first degree, these are those who are connected with you. Second degree are those who are connected to someone who's connected with you. Third degree is they're not connected with someone who you're connected with. So there's a distance there. So third degree connection sometimes makes it harder for someone to receive that and to open up. Sometimes if I'm targeting an account, it's good to just make some connection requests with other people at the company just so that I move them from a third degree connection, that my targets from third degree to second degree. Executive team link accounts and team link connections, that's using a way, finding someone who's connected first degree with someone in your company. So I can talk to my team and say, can you give me a referral to so-and-so? That's a team link connection. That's a Sales Navigator advanced feature. And then group members, those that are members of a group. So I can start the conversation, hey, so you're both in this group. This is what I'm getting out of this group. What are you getting out of it? And then moving that conversation naturally towards, okay, so these are, seeing if they have the problems, wondering if you're having these kind of challenges, etc. So these are the best paths in and the ways that you can start with connections. When it has connections of, I can search someone specifically. I can search for my CEO of the company, and I have everyone who's connected with him that it brings up that I can ask, hey, Jordan, can you give me an introduction to this person or to this person? That's also a good strategy if I'm trying to reach out to someone. If I can match that together with someone who has buyer intent or category interest, then I'm doing great. Teams link, as I mentioned, this is also someone who is connected to someone who's connected, but also how I can use this within the Sales Navigator piece. Past colleagues, these are those who I have worked with, who's been at a previous place that I've worked at, and so builds that kind of rapport. So I might know them or I might not. I might just say, hey, you worked at this company, so did I. That might be a great road in. Or last, shared experiences. These are those who have experiences in their experience section that is very similar to yours. And you can use that as a conversation starter. Hey, see, you've done this, I've done this as well. So that's how to use the best path in filters. And so remember, all of these are ways that you can start those conversations and get them going in order to lead down a sales conversation path.
Thanks for watching, and keep removing those revenue roadblocks. If you want more videos like this, follow our channel for fresh, new content every day. Check out our RevOps playlist, or how about this video chosen just for you? See you next time.